Now, every year in October, the world comes together to mark the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So on FII, we thought, let's do our bit. How much do we actually know about breast cancer? One of the most common forms, remember, of cancer in India. Now, there are millions of breast cancer survivors across the globe, and while more and more women are becoming aware of cancer, on the program today, let's explain to you some important facts when it comes to breast cancer. From importance of self-examination to second opinions, treatment options, everything in our explainer. But let me, right at the onset, share some good news with you straight away. Well, the survival rate of breast cancer continues to show a positive uptrend. There is better treatment, early detection now. So just take a deep breath and keep watching. Let's start with the basics here. What exactly is breast cancer? Now, breast cancer is a type of cancer that starts in the breast. It starts when cells begin to grow out of control. That's basically cancer. Breast cancer cells usually form a tumor that can often be seen in an X-ray or felt as a lump. It often also occurs almost entirely in women, but men can also get breast cancer. It's important to understand that most breast lumps are benign and not exactly cancerous, as they say, but non-cancerous breast tumors are also abnormal growths, but they do not spread outside the breast. They are not said to be life-threatening, but some types of even benign breast lumps can increase a woman's risk of getting breast cancer in the future. Any lump that changes or if you feel any sort of change in your breast, you need to get it checked by a healthcare professional to determine if it is benign or not and if it might affect you in the future. Having understood the basics, let's move to the statistics next. Now, breast cancer accounts for 14% of cancers in Indian women. We're looking at it from a women lens now. And for every 2 women newly diagnosed with breast cancer, 1 woman dies of it in India. This is a statistic that can be changed if only we do diagnosis early, and that's why we need to be aware about it. Almost 50% of all cases are in the age group of 25 to 50 years of age. Survival rate of breast cancer in India, they are low because detection takes place very late, like I said, and the more advanced the stage, the lesser chances of survival really, and that goes for all kinds of cancers. So the thing for you to know is, are you at risk? Listen in carefully, all right? Women are more likely to develop breast cancer. The risk for breast cancer increases as you age, like I said. If there's a family history, you are at risk. There are genetic factors inheriting certain rare gene mutations from parents, most common being the BRCA1 and 2 gene. We'll talk about that in detail as well. And having your first period at a younger age, that is before 12, or attaining menopause at an older age. Both these things will increase your risk of getting breast cancer. Also, if you have a past history, of course, in the family or for yourself on any other kind of cancer, you are at risk. But this BRCA gene that is being so talked about, BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations occur more frequently in younger women. Having these mutation and mutated genes does not mean that you will get cancer. It is said that this increases your chance of getting cancer. It more often affects both the breasts, increased risk for developing ovarian cancers as well if you have this gene. And so what you need to do is get a genetic test done, available to really look at what exactly is the mutation like and if you have it or no, and then let your doctor take a call. So signs that you need to watch out for. One is getting yourself tested. We'll talk about different tests available as well. But these signs, very important. Common symptom for breast cancer is a new mass or a lump in your breast. Any change in the breast or the nipple appearance, unexplained change in the shape or size of the breast, unexplained shrinkage of the breast suddenly, unexplained swelling as well, especially on one side only. Tippling or wearing on the breast anywhere, sunken or inverted nipple, or redness or scaling of the skin of the breast, nipple or in the area, uneven areas of the pores or the skin that resemble an orange peel, as it's been used as a general reference there, and clear or bloody discharge other than breast milk if you're getting that, swelling or a lymph node gland in the armpits or around the collar bone as well, often gets missed out but is a sign, an early sign of cancer, breast cancer being one of them. Now, there are tests available, of course. So if you're in the risk category, if you're watching out for symptoms, this is what your doctor will most probably end up prescribing you. Now, clinical breast examination recommended for all people, by the way. All women after age of 30 are recommended to get that. A breast self-examination, what exactly is that? There are loads of videos available online that you must check up and you must do regularly as well. You should also have a clear knowledge of how your breast actually looks normally. Only then will you be able to tell if there is a difference that is emerging in the shape and size, etc. Also, seek medical advice promptly if any change in breast is noticed. Some of them we talked about. Now, lots of tests are out there in the market for you to see whether or not you have cancer or breast cancer, but there is now a very interesting blood test available for the first time. Indian biotech startup actually has reported an early cancer detection breakthrough, where a detection can be done from a simple blood test really. And the technique was able to identify 25 different kinds of cancer. This is said to be a real breakthrough in the world. Now, the technique was able to detect cancer before the onset of the tumor itself. So really early stage, which couldn't be better news. The test is actually known as HRC and has been co-developed by a Mumbai-based biotechnology firm as well. And a Singapore-based lab is now producing those kits. One needs to do the HRC test once a year to actually know the entire detail. And then, having understood all of that, what can you do to prevent it? Very important bits. Prevention better than cure always. Maintain an ideal body weight. Exercise regularly. Quit smoking if you haven't already. Any excessive alcohol consumption as well. And there are breastfeeding your baby that also actually avoids cancer. But don't take too much pressure on yourself if you think you're not being able to do it. And also avoid unnecessary radiation exposure.